Today we're going to be looking at this trading strategy. We're going to be backtesting it on the 1 hour time frame, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name is David and welcome back to my channel where we go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at Monday's trading strategy and we're going to try and increase the win rate, as it seems to be one of the most important metrics for you guys as you're trading or algo trading strategies. I got quite a few comments on YouTube asking me to look for higher win rates. I'm going to decrease the reward versus risk and add a couple of other indicators to try and make this trading strategy have a higher win rate. Okay, so I guess the best thing to do is get straight over to my computer and have a look at this trading strategy. I will go through everything extremely quickly as we already looked at the strategy on Monday. But before I go over to my computer, guys, if that sounds something interesting to you, why not subscribe to our channel? I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday about profitable trading strategies. While you're there, why not have a look down in the description? You can see the spreadsheet with all of my trading strategies on there and all of the settings from the elite backtesters. You'll be able to see the profit on backtesting, and not only, you'll be able to see how they're doing on live trading. Okay, let's get over to my computer and let's have a look at these backtesting results. Okay, here I am on my computer. As you can see, I already have the indicators ready for us to start looking into this setup. All of the indicators that I'm going to mention, you'll be able to find on DaviddTech.com. Just go to free indicators up here, and you'll be able to find all the indicators that I'm talking about here. They're free and open source. Just click on the one that's interesting to you, add it to your favorites, and then you'll be able to add them to your charts. Okay, so the first indicator that we added on Monday was the trend ACM, which is this green line here that gives us our trend direction. When price is above this green line, we're looking to take longs. When the line is red and price is below it, we're looking to take shorts. That is the trend ACM, that is our baseline. But as you probably know, here on DaviddTech, we use several indicators. We use a baseline and a couple of confirmation indicators. So for us to take an entry, we're looking for the trend ACM to be green, and we're also looking for these confirmation indicators. So the first confirmation indicator we have here is the Williams percentage range, the WPR, but we are using the WPR underscore MA, which is this MA line just here. For us to confirm our entry, we're looking for the WPR, which is this purple line here, to be above the white line. And for shorts, we're looking for the purple line, the WPR, to be below this white line, which is a moving average. As you can see from my chart, the background is green on the WPR, meaning we're above. So we would be able to take our first entry on this candle here. We're not stopping there. We're going to add another indicator. This one's called the Cop-Pock curve, which you'll also be able to find on DaviddTech.com. The Cop-Pock curve is very simple. When the Cop-Pock curve is green like it is there and trending above our white moving average, we're going to confirm our entry long just like that. When it is red and trending below the white line, we are actually going to take shorts. So our original entry here on this candle here has actually been confirmed. Let's add a long position to here. Now for our take profits and stop loss, we're going to be using the ATR bands by DaviddTech, this one just here. We're going to set up the ATR bands with a multiplier of 3, just like that. We're going to set our stop losses to the ATR bands, and our take profit on the original strategy was a 1.8 risk to reward. And boom, that was an absolutely perfect cherry picked entry. As you can see, we would have made 3.39%. Our stop loss would have been 1.87. Brilliant entry. But of course, guys, we know that that was cherry picked. That was Monday's strategy. The win rate was around 50%, and it was a very profitable trading strategy. But I was asked quite often in the comments to look for a higher win rate trading strategies. So I've come back to this one. We're going to reduce the risk to reward. Then we're going to add a couple of other indicators to improve the strategy and make a better win rate. Okay, so it depends on what kind of trader you are. Generally, for myself, a win rate isn't one of the most important metrics, although I do keep an eye on the win rate as I'm forward testing, as it is a very good metric for us to know whether our trading strategy is overfitted or not. But as traders, psychology is a very important matter. You have to be very comfortable with the trading strategy that you're trading. And do you feel comfortable with sitting through 3, 4, 5 or 6, maybe 10 losses in a row, even though you know that your stop loss is very small and you are trading a profitable setup. They're very hard to sit through, and even myself, when you hit a certain amount of stop losses, it starts to get hard. So when optimizing or choosing your trading strategy, I think it's very, very important to know what kind of trader you are yourselves. So today we're going to be optimizing for win rate to try and get a better win rate on this trading strategy. So to do so, what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is reduce our risk reward all the way down to 1-to-1, which means that you're more likely to hit that reward than if it was 1.8. So that already is going to increase our win rate, but keeping it profitable is going to be a lot harder unless we increase our win rate. So what I'm going to do now is add another indicator which I know is absolutely brilliant for keeping gas out of the market, and that is the ADX. Now the ADX will keep us out of the market when price isn't moving enough, there isn't enough volatility in the market, or keep us out of consolidation periods. It's absolutely brilliant, and mixed in with a moving average, it's even better. So we're going to add to our trading strategy the ADX MA. It's very, very simple. The ADX is this red line here, the MA is the blue line. We will only take longs or shorts, no matter whether longs or shorts, if the ADX is trending above the moving average. When below like this, we will not take any entries whatsoever. Now that's going to keep us out of the market, it's going to reduce the number of trades, but we should get a much better win rate. Okay, so that is the trading strategy. As you know, I've already coded this on Monday, so I'm going to go straight over to the backtesting results. Before I go over to backtesting results, there is a Google spreadsheet down below where you'll be able to see all of the trading strategies optimized by our community and myself. You'll be able to see all of the backtesting results. I will add this one to the backtesting results so you'll be able to find it. You'll be able to find all of the forward testing results, so you'll be able to see how well they're actually performing on live trading once we've added it to the live spreadsheet. This spreadsheet updates every 30 to 60 minutes, so it updates very, very often as new trades come in. You can see great information like the last 7 days, 30 days and 90 days, and the number of live trades that have happened since we added it to the DaviddTech platform. If you're interested in seeing how the trading strategy works, you can just click on it and you'll be able to see the full back testing results with all of the charts on the screen and see how well it's actually performing. Okay, the back testing results are in. Drum roll please. Boom! Right, as you can see, we have a considerably better win rate here. Our win rate is currently at 68%, almost 69%, which is absolutely awesome. We have a lower net profit. We still have 786%, 319 closed trades, so less trades. We have a profit factor of 1.74 and a max drawdown of 17%, which is a little bit less than what we had on the previous strategy. If we go over to the performance summary, we can see that the buy and hold would have been 49%, which we absolutely smashed with this new strategy. If we go over to the metrics at the top, you can see that the trading strategy backtest results are currently up to 2022 in January the 13th. We have a max wins in a row of 12, max losses in a row were 14. We had total wins of 220 and total losses of 99. That gave us the profit factor. Let's deep backtest. Boom! Right, if we deep backtest all the way to 2020, we can see that net profit is at 1,125, which is considerably better. We have 484 closed trades, and the win rate has pretty much stayed the same. We are at 67% win rate. If we look at the max drawdown, we've considerably decreased that. It was per 30. We are now at 21%, which is much better. Remember, guys, we are using leverage here. So the max drawdown you can obviously decrease by decreasing the leverage. The buy and hold would be 800%, so we absolutely smashed that as well. Okay, guys, I hope that was what you were looking for. As you can see, we have a much higher win rate, which obviously will be much easier to trade for anybody getting started in the algo trading game. Let's hope that it holds up on forward testing. Like I said before, I will be adding it to our spreadsheet so you'll be able to follow along and see how the forward testing is going. I have one last thing to do, guys, before I leave you, and that's to give away 1 million bonk. Don't forget, guys, that I give away 1 million bonk in every single video. All you have to do is comment down below, give me your favorite indicator or anything that's interesting to you, and you may be the winner in the next video. Right, okay, I'm going to be giving away 1 million bonk coin to a random comment from this video here. There were 33 comments. Let's go. Boom! Any congratulations to you. Thank you very much for all the comments that you make every single video. I'm always extremely happy when it goes to one of our contributing members. Congratulations to you, mate. Lovely to see. Without further ado, guys, I'm going to wish you a wonderful end of week. I look forward to seeing you on Friday when I'll be going through some other profitable strategy. Without further ado, guys, take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Friday. Bye-bye!
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.